Okay, guys, how you doing? Kevin here. Hopefully, all is well with you. Today, we had a question coming in about gravity and what it is on ClickBank. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to share my screen here and show you what it is, what it's about, and how they calculate it roughly about, uh, you know, what the sales are in ClickBank. And once you understand this, it'll make it a little bit more clear and easier for you to understand. Okay, so let's just go and I'm going to share the screen. So bear with me 1 second. Screen share, perfect. And let's just go here. Okay, so here we are. And the question coming in is, what do you mean by gravity on the ClickBank affiliate network? Okay, what do you mean by gravity in the ClickBank affiliate network? That was the question that was hosted on Porta. So what I'm going to do is just bring you over to ClickBank itself. So here we are in ClickBank, and there's a few different metrics that we'll talk about. But the gravity score, in a nutshell, means that in the last 7 days, somebody has sold a product. Now, that unit of person could have sold 20, 30, 300 products, but it's counted as one unit. So gravity in that scale is you know the higher the gravity, the more sales that have gone through. But it doesn't mean that it's the number of 620. It doesn't mean that 620 people, that's all the product that was sold. It could be that one person sold 20, next person sold 300. Each one of those is only counted as one gravity. Now, why do you do that? I'm not entirely sure, but that's what they do there. Okay, so over here on ClickBank itself, you can see this. What I've done is come here and just kind of put in this. And what it's doing is bringing back the highest gravity products, the ones that are selling most. Okay, so these are actually the ones that are selling quite well at the moment. Okay, in the ClickBank marketplace. So the gravity again is very simply put, it's kind of like one unit of sale, but it's not just one unit for one unit. It could be one person selling, several thousands of the product, and it's still classed as one gravity. So the higher the gravity, the more sales that are coming through for the product, and the more affiliates are promoting that product. Okay, so when they promote that product, they get the link. So they promote it, they put in their nickname, whatever it may be, and then they generate the link. And once they get that link, whatever you want to put in there, whatever your username is, generate the link. It generates it based on your nickname, so it won't generate for me there. So let's see. Okay, so this is one of the accounts created, and then it gives me this here. So once somebody purchases through this particular link, now I wouldn't use this particular link when I'm doing it, but once somebody purchases through that link with your affiliate in it, they just come down here, they look at the sales letter here, and if they want to purchase it, they click on the buy button, which usually appears then after this, and that would be considered as one gravity sale. So when we look at the gravity overall score, you can rank it by the recurring billings, the gravity. So just click on gravity there and search through all the different platforms here, all the different categories. So if you're in cooking and wine, for example, if I want to find out about the gravity, which is the highest gravity, 99 here, 0.74, it's probably one of the higher ones that's come up. Yes, it is. So it gives you an indication of the actual sales itself. Now, the thing is, with the more competition that you'll have at that level as well, so you'll have to understand that you're going to be competing in that area a little bit more, maybe than a lower gravity product. So all in all, that's kind of what ClickBank have done is set that out. So one gravity from some person might be several thousand, from the next person might be one, and from the next person might be 20 units. It's pretty hard to calculate it overall, but the gravity gives you a very strong indication that's a popular product, and it's something that maybe you want to take note of. So hopefully that helps you in your journey finding out about this. And it was a pleasure talking to you and answering this question today. If any other questions in relation to ClickBank and how you find top selling products to sell, or you want to learn about how to structure and how to actually go about doing that, please get in touch. Okay. So with that said, have a great day and bye for now. So we'll just go back and hopefully we answered that okay. I'm going to stop sharing here, bring us back to the screen. Hopefully you all enjoyed that and got something of value from it and made it a little bit more clear about, gravity. Okay. So see you later. Have a great day. Bye for now.